kindergarten friends. So last time I was with you for Reader's Workshop, we talked about the silent magic E. And I told you all about that secret tip that can really help readers become stronger at reading. And today we're going to keep talking about that magic E because the only way to get stronger in reading is to practice reading, right? Practice, practice, practice. So we're going to build up our silent E reading muscle by practicing the silent E even more today. So some things that we learned last time about the silent E was that the E at the end of a word can make the vowel say its own name. So if it's a short vowel, you can make it say, instead of A, it can make it say A. It makes it into the long vowel. We also learned that E doesn't make a sound. It uses up all its magic, making the other vowel say its own name, that then it be really quiet. It doesn't make any noise. Here are some words that we can review. We know this word is car. We add a magic E and it makes it into an A. So now it's care. Was car, now it's care. We know this is man. Add a magic E and it makes A, main. We know this word, cap, cap. Add a magic E and it makes cape. We know this word, mac. Add a magic E and it makes make. Oh, we know this word, cut. Add a magic E and the turns into a long U. What's a long U? It just says U. It says its own name. So now it's cute. And let's look at this word. This word looks familiar. Do you think this word might be a snap word? What word is this? Let's see. Let's try sound it out. Ave. Magic E, ave? Have? No, that's not a word, is it? What about if we try the other way? Have? Oh, that word is have. Wait a sec. Mabel just said that doesn't make any sense because the magic E didn't make the A say its name. It just is have. It's just a short A. And I want to tell Mabel and tell you that that is a great thing to notice because the magic E can help make a vowel say its own name, but there are some words that are an exception. That means there's some words like have where the magic E doesn't do anything. It doesn't work because it's a magic special word, so it doesn't work. So this word is just have. It doesn't change to a long A. So you've got to watch out for those words when you're reading because sometimes you're going to find a word like have and the magic E won't work on there. It just works for a lot of words, but not all of them. So here's my tip for you today. When you are reading and you're trying to sound out words, and you know the magic E works for a lot of things, but sometimes it doesn't work. My trick for you is to always try it more than one way. Always try it more than one way. First, try it with one sound, like the short sound, and then if it doesn't sound right, if it doesn't make a real word, then try it again with the other sound, with the long sound, and see if that works. So you can always try it multiple ways, and then that will help you figure out the word. You just read it and see what sounds right, see what makes a real word. So I found this book and I was reading through it and I thought, wow, there is so many great places in this book for us to practice using our long and our short vowels. So I'm hoping you're going to read this book with me. I'm going to start us off reading it. And if you see a word that's bold, which means it's like way darker and a little thicker, then that means I want you to try to figure out with me what that word is. So I want you to do your best to read with me, especially on those bold words. This is a Shopkins book, and it's called Save the Day. So it's like, I don't know, what do you think it's about? It must be about like them saving the day or something. They look like they're in a grocery store or something. Save the Day by Quinlan B. Lee. Look, that's that exception word. Have you seen the secret shopkin? Asks Apple Blossom. He can, what's that? Sav? No, let's try it the other way. Save. Oh yeah, that makes sense because the E is magic. Save the day. No way, Toasty Pop says. Did you? Magic E. Ache? Did you make that up? It's true, says Apple Blossom. I saw him one day. Oh yeah, that's a snap word, right? So we don't even need to slow down on day. We can just say it in a snap. I was on a play. What's that? Magic E makes the A say its name. I was on a play date one day, says Apple Blossom. A stack of cans began to shh. Ooh, Magic E makes it into a A. Shake, shake, shake. Oh no! But then we were safe, says Apple Blossom. I saw a, what do you think? Cap? I saw a cap and a, no, that doesn't make sense. What do you think? Well, there's a magic E, right? So the E makes the A say its name, so it must be cape. I saw a cape and a wave, but I could not see a fac. No, that's not a word. Ooh, let's try it the other way. Face? But I could not see a face. Oh, that makes sense. No way, says Toasty. He came to save me too, says Strawberry Kiss. One day I was cleaning way up high on a dusty shelf. I sneezed, then I began to, read it with me, shake, shake, shake. Oh no! Oops, skip the page. There we go. Okay, get ready. Read those bold words with me. Use your magic E. But then I was safe. I saw a cape and a wave, but I could not see a face. Interesting. We could actually read those probably faster than the last page because we already figured out what those words were on the last page. Even if we wanted to, we could write them down right now and make them into snap words because we're seeing them a lot in this book. I wish we knew his name. Ooh, some of you knew this word already because it's on all of your papers. There's like, it says name and then there's a line because we want you to write your name on your paper. I wish we knew his name, says Apple Blossom. Too bad you did not see his face, says Toasty. Who do you think it is? Cookie, says Strawberry Kiss. But Cookie is gone. Maybe Cookie is the secret shopkin, says Toasty. No way, says Apple Blossom. She would crumble in the face of danger. They're laughing. But way up on a shelf, Cookie gives a magic E wave in her pink cape. You never know who will come to save the day. The end. Okay, friends, so we just read and practiced our magic E a ton in this book. There were so many magic E's in this book. When you're reading today, I want you to keep on watching out for those magic E's that make the vowel say its own name. But remember, the new thing I taught you today was that some words are an exception, like especially some of our snap words. So if you try it with the magic E, you try it one way, like have, and it doesn't make sense. Try it a different way. Always try it one way and then try it the other way. So we tried have. Now we have to try have. Have. Oh, that makes sense. So it must be have. So remember, always try it one way and then try it another way and see what sounds right. I hope you have a great time reading today. Consider reading some more poetry on Epic because later today, during our writer's workshop, we're going to write some more poetry. So read some poetry, read some books, have a fun time on Epic, and I hope you have a great reading and look out for those long and short vowels.